So basically what we find that no bilateral relation whatsoever has been asked. India Africa is also not bilateral, it is India's continental policy, India's engagement with the entire continent of Africa. Of course, when we study Africa, we study it from continental perspective and not from bilateral perspective. Bilateral perspective में सिर्फ neighborhood and global powers पढ़ा जाता है. Otherwise we do study India Israel, है ना, India Iran bilateral ties, maybe a brief reference to India Saudi Arabia ties. As such there is no other bilateral relation except for the global powers, the immediate neighborhood, and as I told you, Israel and सऊदी अरेबिया. उससे ज़्यादा अगर पढ़ना चाहे कोई तो इंडिया फ्रांस पढ़ लेगा, इंडिया यूके इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ द FTA negotiations and the recent signing of CETA. Yes, so we as such, but you find that none of the questions were from the bilateral relations. However, what we see, और जनरली क्या होता है, ईयर ऑन ईयर पैटर्न ये है कि bilateral relations आते हैं. Yes, neighborhood पे आए, that is not essential, but we do expect one question on the neighborhood, at least we think that way. Yes, and then on global powers, India US, India Russia, maybe a trilateral engagement, how India US relations impact India Russia relations, India Russia engagement, its impact on Russia China relations, है ना, उस तरह का कुछ एक framework we do expect there. But this time around there was no such question. It was on broad themes that they have asked.